Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where we share tips on finance, self-development, and living your life to its fullest potential. Money is a hugely important part of our life, and although I've never been in the pursuit of absolute money, I've been able to appreciate the power of money to unlocking my freedom, providing financial stability, and achieving my ultimate goal of financial independence. Today, I share with you the top finance lessons that have truly changed my life. These lessons have helped me make smarter financial decisions and get closer to my ultimate goal of financial independence. So without further ado, let's dive in. Lesson number 1, make money with your mind and not with your time. One of the most valuable lessons that I have learned is the concept of making money with your mind and not with your time, from successful entrepreneur and investor Naval Ravikant. To make money with your time means trading your time for money. This includes working a full-time job, and this isn't the most efficient way of making money, since it necessitates directly exchanging your time for money. To make money with your mind means creating something valuable that can be sold multiple times over. Examples include writing a book, creating a digital product such as an online course, or building a successful business. To make money with your mind is the key to earning an income even when you're not actively working. Lesson number 2, understand the difference between assets and liabilities. This isn't assets versus liabilities in the traditional sense that I learned in accounting. This is a practical way of thinking about assets and liabilities from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Fundamentally, assets are things that put money into your pocket. Examples include stock investments, rental properties, and businesses that generate an income. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. Examples include mortgage payments, car payments, and credit card debt. In the traditional sense, we think of buying a house as an asset, but in fact, it is a liability, since it takes money out of our pocket. We go through life buying liabilities such as houses and cars that take money out of our pocket. Instead, we should focus on acquiring assets that generate positive cash flow and put money into our pocket, such as rental properties and dividend-paying stocks. By doing this, we can build wealth over time and eventually achieve financial freedom. Lesson number 3, move over to the right side of the cash flow quadrant. The cash flow quadrant is a concept from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which explains the different ways to earn an income. The cash flow quadrant is divided into 4 categories: employees, self-employed individuals, business owners, and investors. The left side of the quadrant, which constitutes employees and self-employed individuals, is the active income side, where people earn money by trading their time for money. This is often limited by the number of hours in a day and can lead to a lack of financial freedom. The right side of the quadrant, which constitutes business owners and investors, is the passive income side, where people earn money from investments or from systems that generate income without their direct involvement. The book encourages us to move from the left side of the quadrant to the right side by focusing on building passive income streams, where you can achieve greater financial freedom and independence. Lesson number 4, the importance of understanding taxes and using it to your advantage. Understanding taxes is a crucial part to building wealth. Understand the difference between earned income and passive income. The tax system is designed to favor passive income over earned income. Earned income is income that is earned through employment or self-employment, while passive income is generated by investments or business ownership. Identify tax deductions and credits that you may be eligible for and take advantage of them to reduce your tax burden. Invest in tax-sheltered investment accounts such as an RRSP or a TFSA if you are in Canada, or an IRA and a Roth IRA or a 401k if you are in the US, to reduce your current tax burden and build wealth over time. Look for opportunities to shift your income from earned income to passive income, such as investing in rental properties or by starting a business. By understanding the tax system and taking advantage of tax deductions and credits, you can reduce your tax burden legally and keep more of your hard-earned money. Lesson number 5, diversify your income sources. Solely relying on your employment income as a source of income can be risky, since you are putting all of your eggs into one basket. Start a side hustle to supplement your primary income. Diversifying your income includes identifying your existing skills and exploring various income-generating opportunities. Overall, diversifying your income sources requires you to be willing to step out of your comfort zone, leverage your existing skills, and consider creative ways to generate additional income. Lesson number 6, maximize your current income sources. Ask yourself, are you getting paid enough in your current job? An aspect people underestimate is maximizing your earning potential in your current job. Sometimes it means having a conversation with your employer about raising your income, and if that falls, looking elsewhere. I've observed that people have the greatest uptake in their employment income when switching jobs. Lesson number 7, understand leverage and credit and how to make it work in your favor. Leverage and credit can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but they must be used wisely and with extra care, since it comes attached with greater risk. Understand the difference between good debt and bad debt, a concept taught by Robert Kiyosaki. Good debt is debt that generates income, such as a mortgage on a rental property. Bad debt, on the other hand, is debt that is used to purchase liabilities that do not generate an income, such as credit card debt or car loan. Take a stock check of your debt and determine what is good debt and what is bad debt. Work on paying down bad debt and use good debt to acquire income-generating assets. Using borrowed money to invest can be a powerful way to increase return. For example, if you can borrow money at 5% and invest it in a rental property that generates a 10% return, you can make a profit on the difference. Look for opportunities to use leverage to increase your return, but be sure to fully study and understand the risks involved, and only invest in assets that A, you have an understanding of, and B, have a high probability of generating a positive return. Lesson number 8, pursue financial independence. The reading that I have done on personal finance, a clear emerging theme to becoming wealthy is to focus on achieving financial independence. Focus on creating multiple streams of income, leverage your career capital, and invest in yourself. And remember that it is not always instant gratification for the hard work and commitment, but you will have small wins along the way. As Robert Kiyosaki puts it, wealth is not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. You should measure wealth in terms of the number of days you can survive without physically working, or anyone else in your household working, and still maintain your standard of living. That is the true power of financial independence. I conclude by emphasizing the importance of continued financial education and investing in yourself by reading books and resources so that you can make informed decisions about your financial future and achieve your financial goals. I would love to know if any of these tips have resonated with you, so please leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, I'll put up a few other videos that I've made on building wealth and how to prepare yourself for a recession. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.